Stress is an inevitable part of life, but how we manage it truly matters. When left unmanaged, chronic stress can spiral into anxiety, depression, high blood pressure, and other severe health problems. However, there are effective methods to regain control and restore equilibrium. Practice mindfulness and relaxation. A few minutes of deep breathing, meditation, or progressive muscle relaxation can calm your nervous system and ease tension. Get moving. Exercise is a powerful stress reliever. Whether it's a brisk walk, yoga, or strength training, physical activity releases endorphins, your brain's natural mood boosters. Plus, moving your body helps shake off emotional tension. Master time management. Feeling overwhelmed by your to-do list? Prioritize tasks, set realistic goals, and say no to things that drain your energy. Taking short breaks can boost productivity and prevent burnout. Nourish your body. A balanced diet, proper hydration, and restful sleep are your best shields against stress. Skipping meals or relying on caffeine and sugar can escalate stress. Care for your body and it will care for you. Lean on your support system. Talking to a friend, family member, or therapist can provide relief and perspective. You're not alone. Sometimes expressing your feelings can make a huge difference. Stress is inevitable, but suffering from it doesn't have to be. Prioritize your well-being, and you'll notice a huge difference in your overall quality of life. What are your stress relief methods? Drop it in the comments if you found this helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs it.